Hello, welcome to another unboxing. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna get into it. I'm just opening the box, guys. It should be okay. Oh, she just sat like that. Okay. I mean, slay, I guess. No protection, I guess. That's fine. They didn't tell me about her condition. They didn't show in the condition in the video, because her condition in real life is a lot worse than it was, like, shown. Her head moves so easily. That's normal for her legs.
Hi, Mum.
Oh, she has batteries in.
Hi. That tickles.
Move your legs.
That tickles. Ready? Whee! I'm dancing.
That's terrifying.
Yay! I did it. Watch me dance.
That's terrifying.
This is fun.
Okay. I'm gonna. Yeah, this wasn't shown in the thingy. It looks like she's clogged as well. She's got a thingy. She's cute. I like her. Well, I don't like her. I love her. Oh, didn't mention that part either. It's okay. I'm gonna get it fixed up. I like how I said that, even though I couldn't get the last one fixed up. Whoops. Here she is. I now have 2 out of the 4. The redhead one is, like, you can't find her in the UK, so she's probably off the list. But, hey, at least I've got this one. And at least she works, because my other one, I think her outfit's mouldy. That's great. But at least this one works, because my other one does not work at all. Is her head smashed? I think so. Yeah, that's going to be it for this unboxing. Wait a second. They didn't send one of the accessories what was on the listing. They didn't send it. And her hair's been... Oh. Her hair's been, like, cut and stuff. That wasn't on the listing. I will contact them to see what is up. It was sort of foul, but yeah. Still cute. I'm gonna fix her up, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.